How to add money in your Paytm wallet within some seconds just from your account. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. And in this video, let's know how we can add money to the Paytm wallet. Firstly, on the home page through the Paytm app, you can also use paytm.com website for it. Through the Paytm app, what you have to do is select add money icon on your home screen. Then choose the money via credit, debit, or net banking and the amount you want to add and tap on simply the add money option. You will be redirected to a secure payment page where you need to provide the payment details. If you have any saved credit or debit card, it will be shown up. You will just have to enter the CVV, the last three digit code on your debit or credit card. And then once you have under the details on the bank page, complete the transaction. You will be redirected to the Paytm with added money on your wallet. So this is how you can actually do it. Thank you so much for watching it. On the web page, simply log into Paytm account and then just repeat the same process I have shown you for the phone or Paytm application. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe to our channel for watching such updates and videos like this.